Whew, here we go, 6 a.m. Just arrived at the entrance for Cerro Campanario. This place isn't open usually till about 9. This is very early. And the plan is to hike up the little hill right here. It's about 45 minutes. It's gonna be a hike in the dark. Let's go. Almost there. So close. So I made it, met a lovely Canadian couple, and this sunrise together has been just incredible. Absolutely unreal. Has to be one of the best views in the city. There's the drone. Two ways to the top of Cerro Campanario. The first is the famous aerosilla Cerro Campanario, which is this little chairlift. It's open 9 till 6, so if you want to see sunrise or sunset, you're going to want to take that hike. 45 minutes, quite steep, a little tough, but definitely worth it. And the views are just to die for, so you'll be fine. Behind me we have the iconic round building at the top of Cerro Campanario containing a confiteria, which is like a cafe. They have a small food menu, hot drinks, cold drinks, snacks, and just outside here is a terrace. You can grab a chair, sit down, relax, enjoy the view. But the main view would be round underneath this building. On a windy day, you probably want to be in there, but the windows look out to the main attraction, which is this 180-degree panoramic view terrace of Circuito Chico. Black flowers blossom, feel the sun.